Hi, I'm Earl Quinn, the executive chef of Fiorella's in Newton, Massachusetts. I'm going to show you how to make chicken broccoli Alfredo today. The first step to do is to blanch your broccoli. I have 2 cups of raw broccoli. I place it in boiling water. I let that sit for about 2 minutes. I'd already prepared penne pasta for the recipe. You can follow the directions on the box. I like to cook mine al dente, usually about a minute or 2 underneath the directions on the box. I cook probably about 8 to 9 minutes for a penne pasta. Okay, when your 2 minutes is up, you want to take your broccoli and place it in a bowl of ice water and shock it. That'll keep it from cooking anymore. It'll stay al dente. Now we'll set our broccoli and pasta aside, and we're going to start working on the chicken. I got a preheated saute pan. I'm going to add about 2 ounces of olive oil blend. It's a 10% olive oil blend. Once the oil's nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken to the flour. We'll make sure we coat it very well. Always shake off extra flour so it doesn't clump in the pan. I always like to put a little kosher salt and coarse ground pepper on the chicken as it's cooking. I'm going to cook this till it's brown on both sides. When it's brown on both sides, I'm now going to drain the oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. I'm going to add my light cream. I'm going to let it reduce for a couple minutes. Now that my sauce is reduced to the consistency that I want, I'm going to add my broccoli, my pasta, and I'm going to toss it. If you don't want to make a mess out of your kitchen, just use a spoon. If you feel your sauce is too thick, you can always add a little more cream, because it is going to thicken when I add the cheese. Once the sauce starts to simmer again, then we're going to add our cheese. I have a Parmesan Romano blend. Now that my sauce has been simmering for about 2 minutes, I think it's at the consistency that I want, and I'm going to plate it. Here you go, chicken broccoli Alfredo for 2.